Hi, I'm Ben from Twinkl. Today I'm going to take a look at phonics lesson packs. We have lesson packs for each of the phases, including alternative pronunciations and tricky words. I'm going to start by looking at a Phase 3 lesson pack and then how some of the activities might change for those slightly older children looking at a Phase 4 pack. Some of our PowerPoints begin with advice on setting up audio, so watch out for that. Then they move into practicing recent sounds and recent tricky words. After that, they'll include other daily practice activities like the alphabet and sentences that can be read as a group, practicing those recent words. Next comes introducing a new sound, along with actions to help children practice and focus on the new sound. They also give some example words, including sound buttons to help children see which letters are giving which sounds. A dot means that a letter is only giving one sound, whereas a dash means that we have two or more letters giving one sound. Then the PowerPoint will go on to some practice sentences, including the day's sound, and you'll notice the sound buttons on-off switch, which you can use to add the sound buttons for children that need a little extra help. Then each pack comes with some activities. This activity sheet goes over some of the things that children can say or do, and there's a practical activity to make a jumbo jet, which they can use to help practice saying the sound. Then our Phase 4 starts in a similar process with revising recent sounds and tricky words, and then introduces new tricky words with really fun interactive visuals, before moving on to a larger amount of reading. Because children are a little older by the time they reach Phase 4, the level of challenge increases with them. It then moves on to give them examples of things with focused sounds in, and they could use whiteboards to practice writing these words, matching to the pictures on the screen. Activities then might include matching pictures to words, or drawing a picture to explain the meaning of a sentence. We also have activities to give meaning to reading, like this recipe which children can read and follow.